Hello, today I would like to introduce one of the most impressive presentations from our class. The presentation I chose is about enhancing photocatalytic performance of graphite through doping. I selected this presentation because it was not just informative but also very well structured and easy to understand. In particular, it explained complex concepts in a very clear and accessible way. First, I will briefly summarize the contents. The presentation started with the basic concept of photocatalysis. Photocatalysis uses light energy to drive chemical reactions, and it is important for environmental purification and hydrogen production. Then it introduced graphite, which is a metal-free semiconductor with low cost and high stability. When light is absorbed, electron-hole pairs are generated, and this leads to the formation of reactive oxygen species. It's called ROS. However, the key limitation is fast recombination of electrons and holes, which reduces efficiency. The most important part of the presentation was how to solve this problem. The presenter introduced doping as a solution. Doping modifies the band structure and improves charge separation, which enhances performance. In particular, the example of iodine doping showed a clear increase in hydrogen production. I think this was very effective because it connected theory with experimental results. The presentation also explained that enhanced ROS generation can be applied to water purification, antibacterial treatments, and air purification. There are three reasons I found this presentation impressive. First, the structure was very logical. It followed a clear flow: concept, limitation, solution, and application. Second, the visual materials were used effectively, making complex ideas easier to understand. Third, it helped me thoroughly understand the concept, not just memorize it. And also, this presentation is very relevant to my research I'm doing. So I think this presentation may make progress on my research. In conclusion, this presentation was effective because it improved both understanding and interest in the topic. Thank you.